Hi, my name is Kashina Hall, and today I want to speak with you about a process improvement program that I have come up with for my company, Calphalon, to help reduce wait time for consumers and increase customer satisfaction. The issue is there is extended amount of wait time for consumers calling us in or emailing us in during our peak season, and so we want to do something about that to make our consumers more, happy with our process and happy with our products and us in general. And so to start, as mentioned here on the PowerPoint, I want to get our stakeholders involved. So the stakeholders that I selected for this project is my supervisor, my manager, and two of my colleagues. And so I'm really going to just talk to them, get them on board with my project, with my plan to help reduce these wait times. So, and also like the objective is just to get the convince the stakeholders how this project will help with wait times. So the solution that I've come up with to help with extended wait times is one, give the consumer more self-help options. So consumers with more self-help options, what does that mean? So consumers go out to our website. They may want to know a simple question, or they may have something more in depth that they are needing assistance with. But if they have a simple questions, then we want to put our Q&As up front in the front of our web page right there for consumers to see. Maybe even have virtual reality for consumers to interact with to get their questions answered. Also, we want to maybe during the peak season, we want to outsource some of the phone calls. So basically, we want to have another company to answer some of our phone calls to help with consumer wait times. That will reduce the number of minutes that they'll have to wait on the line on a representative. And in essence, what we hope to do is to make happier consumers, and then consumers that will continue to purchase our product because they're happy with the product and they're happy with our service. So also part of the solution is to hire skilled technical employees to help us put these systems into place. There will be extensive training for stakeholders and other employees to help implement the plan. And then also I also would like to look into support during non-traditional hours. We typically stay open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. But I believe that with extended office hours, we can better assist our consumers and give them more options to contact us. All right, so now we're going to talk about the timeline, how we're going to put this in place. And so I gave it an 8-month time frame because that's when we are to hit our next peak season. So I really want to be ready for it. So the first 3 months, what we want to do is just, speak to our stakeholders. We want to get them involved. We want to hopefully gain their interest in our project. Also, once we've spoken with them about it, we then want to send them out some literature and send them out some research on how I feel that the project would be a success for the company. And then once we get the stakeholders on board, we definitely want to go ahead and lock in some financing options to get this done. And then months 4 and 5, what we want to do is go ahead and hire those employees that's skilled to get our system together and get those self-help options available, and then also work on that outsourcing for us. Also, during the 4th and 5th months, we want to go ahead and have some training sessions with the employees so they can know how the self-help options work and how we can better assist our consumers. And also, we want to prepare our system to go live. So maybe have some training docs where we can just go on and just play around on the system to see how it would work if we were a consumer going on to get assistance. So implementation. So that's months 6 through 8. So at this time, we really want to get down to it and get the system rolling. We want the system to go ahead and go live within that 6 to 8 month time frame. We want to go ahead and make sure that the employees are fully trained on the system, and then also go ahead and reduce those wait times. Okay, so communication plan. So our communication style is going to be both verbal and nonverbal. So in essence, we want to talk about our plan. We want to make sure that it's out there. People hear us talking about it. I want people to get energized. I want them to get behind it, excited about the new project for helping these consumers out. And also, we'll be using some verbal communications through literature, training docs, brochures, things like that to help our employees get ready for the change. And then, lastly, we also want to send out reminders and updates on things that may change through the process to keep our employees aware of what's going on so they can better assist our consumers with the questions they may have about our new systems. And so that's my plan. I feel this plan will help Calphalon with their wait times, and also I feel that the consumer will, in essence, be happier with the process, and they will be more apt to go out and purchase our products and tell their friends and family. So thank you for listening to my plan today, and I really appreciate it.